In this exercise, we'll implement the function digital sum. The function takes a list of strings and returns a single integer. A precondition on the function is that s.isDigit holds for each string s in num's list. Let's read up on what the isDigit method does. The isDigit method returns true if and only if all the characters in the string are digits, and the string is not empty. Otherwise, it returns false. So we know that the strings given to us must be made up of digits. The purpose of the function now is to sum up all the values of all the digits that make up the strings and return the total. The second sample execution in the docstring should therefore return 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6. Now let's implement the body of the function. We'll start by declaring an accumulator variable that we initialize to 0 that we'll use to calculate the total sum of all the digits. Next, we need to iterate over every string in num's list, the list of strings passed as an argument. We can do this with a for loop. As we iterate over the list of strings, num will point to each of the strings in the list in turn. Now, in order to sum up all the individual digits in the strings, we need to iterate over each digit in every string. Similarly now, as digit iterates over all the characters in num, it will point to each of the characters in num in turn. Combined with the outer loop, digits will point to every character in every string by the end of the program. It's important to remember, though, that digit points to character, not number, since we are given the input as a list of strings. So if we wish to add the value of the character to our running total, we need to cast digit to be an integer. Now at the end of both loops, total contains the sum of all the values of the digits that make up the list of strings given to us, and we can return that total. Let's test our function. The first sample execution returns the expected answer, as does the second.